How to fix graphics card not detected in Windows 10, 8 and 7. First open Start and type msconfig. Open System Configuration. Go to the General tab. Select Normal Startup. Press OK. Now restart. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, first Google GeForce Experience. Click on GeForce Experience. Press Download now. Save the file. Run the file. Press Yes. Now install the program. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, open GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Select if you want an express or custom installation. This will install the drivers for your video card model. Now wait for the drivers to be installed. Restart after it finishes. If you have an Intel GPU, first Google Intel Driver Support Assistant. Open the first link. Press Download now. Download the tool. Double-click the installer. Agree with the terms and press Install. Wait for the assistant to be installed. Press Launch to open the assistant. In Graphics, you'll be able to update your drivers. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, first Google AMD GPU drivers download. Open the first link. Click on Download now to get the Auto Detect tool. Download the tool. Run the installer. Now use the Auto Detect tool to get the latest graphics card drivers.